Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. If you have guys a Hyundai Elantra generation 2011 to 2016, 17 guys, and your heater inside the blower doesn't work, okay, like this one here. Okay, I'm going to turn the ignition on. Check it out, ignition is on. And I will try to turn the fan on high, low, and nothing works. Temperature doesn't work, anything doesn't work at all. So we'll show you guys which relay and fuse can cause that. Okay, there is one fuse and one relay for the AC and heater blower. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, turn the ignition off now, and we'll show you which one it is. Ours is a 2013 model, but all of them should be about the same. You need to go ahead, open the hood of the car. Okay, once you open the hood, this is your fuse box right here. So we'll go ahead, remove it, and now you have one fuse right here. This is a 40M fuse. Okay, let me let me get a good view so I can show you a little bit better. The third fuse, okay, which is a second 40M. This one, you can see it's still good. Now there is one relay. This relay is for the heater as well. So we'll go ahead, okay, pull this one out and replace it with a new one and see if that will fix our problem. Sometimes the relay will be bad, and we have the video on the channel to show you how to test one. Okay, this is the old relay, so let's grab a new one. Okay, install it, and don't forget to install your coverall, and we're going to go ahead and see if the heater will work now. Hopefully it does. Now I have the ignition on. Yep, I can hear it. It definitely works. So that fixes, guys, the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.